Alright, we're back out. We'll do a redemption flight with me and John. The last time we were up, so I ran up on him. There's a little midair. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Okay.
Gears are up. Let's go to middle rates. Okay, I'm gonna turn left and come back over. I'll be right over top of you.
Yeah, it's flying much better with the battery forward.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say, like the wing rocking is not as much, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna come up behind. Okay, here we go.
I think I can move the battery even further forward.
Here we go.
Maybe it's just my trim. That's what they do.
Very nice. Turning left.
And he gives it the gas. All this supported by the club. Yeah, right.
Okay, turning in.
Close to the airport, obviously, but so we have 5 minutes.
Okay.
Spider webs. I want to do a
Oh.
little bit of a low pass.
Okay. Coming in. Okay.
2.9 volts.
22.9.
Oh, okay.
I have 22.9 right now.
Oh, nice.
Got like 2 minutes 22.9. So that breeze is coming from our left, right? Yeah. Turning in. Very nice.
Yeah, I think I need to give it more gas around the throttle, or around the turns.
Okay.
Keep my speed up.
Okay, let's see. Hey, I got it set up to land.
Okay. I'll land after
Okay.
you land.
Landing from the left. Oh, oh, oh. There's a little bouncer. Okay. All right, I'm all the way up.
Okay. Landing from the left.
Okay. See the F-16 come. Oh, very nice. Oh, 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 oh. Well, it was good. They're all in one piece. No midair this time.